Hello everyone. I showed you in part 1 of this video the MongoDB series how to run a MongoDB server and how to make a MongoDB client. Now in order to run queries you can either write the queries here in the MongoDB client or you can make connection through Java language. First we have to run MongoDB server using the command till mongod.exe and to the db path of a folder where we want to keep our database. And here, so what I have done, I have created a Maven project with the name testmongo, and in the pom.xml I have kept the dependency of MongoDB for the MongoDB driver org.mongodb. The version is 3.12.4 that I'm using. So first what we can do, we can connect to the localhost with a port. The default port for MongoDB is 27017. Now we can create credentials for the database with a database name. The user will be test user, the database would be database new, and the password is 12345. And after that, connection to this database is made successfully. Now we can connect to the database that we have created using mongo connection.get database method. Now we can add collection which with whatever name we want. So this is the test collection we have made. Now if I run this, so it's giving some error. Okay, the test collection already exists. So what we can do, we can connect to the database new database which we have created. Now if we run this command, this code using control F11, now the database new is made and the connection to that is made, and now the collection with the name test collection is inserted into this database. Now the connection is made and the collection is also made, and we can do the CRUD operations in this collection that we have made, which is test collection. Now here in this class, what I've done, I've made a connection to the MongoDB database and to the database that we have made, that is database new. Now we have to connect to the collection that we have created, that is test collection, and now we can insert data. So the data can be inserted in this way. We can make the instance of document class, and we can append the data as we want in the form of key value pair. So we have made two document instances, and we can create the list through that, and we can add the documents in the list. Now by using insert many method, we can insert the data into the collection that we have created. Now which is similar to insert operation. Now we can read data from the collection to the iterator, and when we can print it, that's a read operation. And suppose we want to update a key value pair for a particular record. So one document constitutes one record. So what we want to do, we want to update one document where title is class A, and we can update the number of students to 150 students, which is 100 here, we can update it to 150, which is the read operation. Now we can delete the documents we have made, just like we add something in the where clause, we can add the clause in the filters.eq method. Like where title is class A and where title is class B, the data is deleted. So for title class A and title class B, the data is deleted, and we can delete the data through the database, which is the D of the CRUD operation. Okay, now we can print the collection which are present in the database that we have selected, and that is printed here. So if we run this code using control F11, the operations are performed, and the only database and the only collection which is present in this database is test collection, and the data is already printed. So you can see the results and the code, and that's all for today.